Everybody, hope you're having a good day. I'm going to do an Elliot Smith lesson, and so because of that, I just want to kind of get something out of the way. This is going to be like a simplified version of the accompaniment on guitar. I'm not doing a vocal lesson, and I'm not. Anyways. What Elliot Smith did, he was a master of the guitar, and he was also a musical genius, and he would put in all kinds of cool little like mostly chord, what I would call chord melody, where he put like the melody of what he's singing into the chords he was playing. And so some people get bent out of shape if you try to teach the song without those embellishments, but most people are just trying to learn a song, so they can sing it and play it and have fun, and so that's what I'm trying to do here. Okay, there's lots of other lessons on this song if you want to get into all the little details of it. Here's the main verse chord progression, and it's very regular. Okay, and that's the rhythm. It starts, you can just start kind of in A minor, because everything in this song kind of goes back to A minor, at least in the verse. And then it's nice because A minor is very close to the next shape we're going to use, which is F major 7. That's just the first finger on the second string at the first fret, ring finger on the G string at the second fret, and your ring finger on the D string at the third. And then we're going to play the high E as well. That's the F major 7. If you leave the high E off, it's okay. You could just play it like this. So I played F to A minor. Okay, that's the beginning of the chord progression. Then it goes F to C. F to A minor. F to C. C and A minor are very close in the notes they use. So, if you make a mistake and just go back to A minor, it'll still sound okay. But C, E, A minor. So we're kind of pedaling all the chords against A minor. F, A minor, F, C, E, A minor. Let me play it and I'll call out the chords. F, A minor, F, C, E major, A minor, F to A minor, F to C, E, A minor. That's the verse, okay? Your hand on his arm, your hand on his arm, a haystack charm around your neck, strung out and thin, calling some friend to cash your check. And that's the kind of the whole pattern of the verse up until the first half of the song. Then the chorus is just the chorus starts in A minor. Needle in the hay. Goes to C. Needle in the F, hey, back to A minor, F to A minor, kneel in the hay, A minor, C, kneel in the F, A minor. All right, that's the chorus. So everything follows regular those chord progressions I showed you for the first half of the song, right? And so he sings a verse, a chorus, and he sings a verse and another chorus. Then there's a little acoustic interlude, and the first two times he plays the chord progression, which is the main, what I called the verse chord progression. F A minor, F C, E A minor. That's played twice. But then the third time he plays something different, and basically we're gonna substitute G instead of the C. So it's gonna be F A minor, F G E A minor. I think he just plays that one time, but we're gonna see this later in the song. There's another verse, two verses after that acoustic break. So what happens is on the last line of the final verse, he does that substitution of G for C. Okay, so you get and that's I'm just trying to keep this simple, so I'm not gonna do the intro riff or the outro riff, but it's very simple if you do want to learn it. There's other videos that cover it, but you could just what I would do is just do that A minor. Just do like 2 measures of A minor, or and you could do 2 measures of A minor on the outro. Yeah. You can just end it. All right, thanks for watching. Hope that helped. And all you trolls out there, don't troll me. Let me just talk about the lyrics real quick. What I think, I hear a couple. First of all, the song is about substance abuse and heroin, and when he's saying about acting dumb, you've come to expect it. He's talking about the people like he's calling to ask to cash a check for him. They're playing dumb. They're like, oh, I don't know if I could do that. Then the other thing. All right, here's another one. When he at the end he's talking about walk, 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 6 more blocks. I think he's saying 6 more blocks and the one in La Brea, which is a little town in California. I've read the one in my brain was someone put for the lyrics, and something about break. But I think he's just saying 6 more blocks plus 1 in La Brea. Anyways, that's all I have to say about the lyrics. Thanks for watching. Bye.